इट्स अनदर डे ऑफ मी ड्रेस अप लाइक अ भिखारी। अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं प्रथमेश के साथ क्योंकि उसको नया टीवी यूनिट खरीदना है।
Ryan Little.
वैसे अगर देखा जाए तो यहाँ पे टीवी यूनिट्स के लिए ऑप्शंस बहुत ही कम है। अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं इन्फिनिटी मॉल के यहाँ पे।
I'm a down south with a west coast vibe. Keep the Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. Palm trees when I walk outside. I'm a down south with a west coast vibe. Keep the Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. When I walk outside. I'm a down south with a west coast vibe. No, I don't got two sides.
Fuck, I'm still feeling sleepy.
Trying to make it on my own, breaking down on every road, come too far to get back home. And on top of it all, every step along the way, I've heard so many people say, maybe it's time to let this go. Oh, they say my time is past, slipping through the hourglass. I should just pack up and go home, but I guess I don't know when to quit, and I don't give a no. I don't know when to quit, and I don't give a no. I won't give up. I'm not thinking about giving in. No, I don't know when to quit, and I don't give a shit. No. And I don't give a shit, no. And I don't give a shit, no.
ये मेरी बॉटल है, ये मैं हूँ और यहाँ पे हमारी पार्टी हो रही है। पार्टी पार्टी पार्टी। यहाँ पे पार्टी नहीं हो रही है। The shit is about to go down, bitches. So as you can see from the title, almost is very important. Okay, I almost got scammed. What happened last week is that I get a text from a recruiter saying that we are looking for freshers for ground staff and cabin crew. So just contact this recruiter and blah 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 blah. I'm like, I'm gonna get a job. I'm gonna save my money. I'm gonna help my mom. I'm gonna like buy so much of stuff. I started dreaming and I was like, okay, chalo, I'll call her. Call the recruiter saying I'm a fresher and I got a text from you guys that you guys are looking for ground staff and cabin crew. So like, can you just tell me more about this job? What is going to be salary? What is going to be the work pattern and stuff like that? How many holidays I'm gonna get? And all these basic questions I started asking. And that chick or auntie or whoever she was, she knew everything. Like, you know, she knew her script basically. She was like, this job is for Indigo. Basically, the job was like forwarding the customer or client messages. Fine, what is going to be the salary? She was like, it's going to be 32K. And I was like, damn, like 32? People are here offering me, you know, like 10 to 15K just because I'm a fresher. And these people are offering me 32K. Like, I was like, balle balle, oh balle. I did not show all this over a phone call, but I was like really excited, like I'm gonna get a job like this. And she's like, can you send me your Aadhaar card, passport size photos, your resume, and some of the mark sheets? So I was like, I don't mind, like is this your WhatsApp number? I'll do that. And tell me whether you're interested in this job. I was like, yes, I am interested in job, that's why I called you. She's like, oh, no, I'm just telling you because before 3:30 you have to send all the 40 applications all together, and once you get selected you have to pay that 2.5k. That is the application fee. I was like, okay, like application fee, okay, I don't mind. It's like chindi amount of money. If I'm getting 32k per month as a salary, what is 2.5k? Hey, I'm just like, okay, like 2.5k is a big deal. Like, I'm a broke bitch, I understand the value of money now. So I was like, forward my application. She's like, okay, I'll do it. Within 5 minutes I get a call saying that like,
congratulations, you're selected.
I was like, no online test, no aptitude test, no interview. I got a job. Then I was like, maybe because I done masters and all that, yeah, I got a job, yeah. And I told everyone, like my mom and my brother, and my mom was like, okay, you got a job, okay, I'm happy, but like just like verify it's like not a scam or something like that, like legit Indigo is like contacting you, just like confirm that, verify that. I was like, yeah, it is them, like because I was asking her all the questions and she was like telling me everything properly, that she did not have any kind of script or anything. That time my desperation was so high, I could not see all these things, but my mom was like just verify once. I was like, okay, I'll do that. So what I do is like, I'll just like, who am I supposed to pay this 2.5k? She's like, GPay me. I was like, GPay you? Why? So she was like, like you just have to GPay me, I'll give you a number. I was like, no, just give me some bank details, okay, like give me that. And she was like just trying to avoid that question, and she wanted me to pay on a GPay number, but I was like, no, give me a bank detail. I wanted to confirm that it's not shady, that it's not a scam. And she's like, I'll give you all the details, just see the application form whether everything is proper or not. And she sends me an application form, and I'm like, okay, why doesn't it look official though? Like, why it is, shady? She did not write my qualification properly. Then there was like some shadiness happening, like the stamp and everything. I'll show you over here. It was just, bad. So I sent this over to my mom, and my mom is like, see, it's, call Indigo, go on their site and check everything. So I go on Indigo's site and I see there are no fucking vacancies for Maharashtra. You can see vacancies for Indigo from other states. I was like, whoa, what the fuck? And when I was seeing that, I get a text from her for the bank details. When I see the bank details, I'm like, bitch, it's a scam. Run. Bank details was for some guy. So I'm like, I call the customer care. So she's like, see, we never promote or market our career opportunities. We always put it on our official sites. And secondly, she said, like, we never ask for any application fee. It is always going to be free. And we always ask you for interview or some kind of test. Okay. And she was like, if there is anything else. I was like, no, I want to just let you know if some things like these are happening and I don't want other people to get scammed, to where can you just like note down all that numbers or the bank detail account or something like that. She was like, can you just like put it in the feedback, we'll look into it. I was like, okay, I'll do it. And I did it. Like, you have to give some kind of interview. They have to check your credibility for their company. Secondly, no company will ever ask for application fee unless and until it's a test, like UPSC and all that test. They have some like application fee, but not job interview. Third thing is like, don't trust any SMS or mails. Like, so many people are like scamming people by using all these big portal names such as Naukri, LinkedIn, and and like tell everything to your parents or like some elderly in your family. They will help you. Seriously. Now look at me and my mom. Like, she doesn't judge me. Like, she's just happy that I did not get scammed, and we laugh about it now. I know you guys want to make your parents proud. I know unemployment बहुत ही high है. I know things are really tough right now, and I know बकवास है सब कुछ जो चल रहा है वो. I know the frustration, okay? I get it, but just protect yourself from all these things, okay? These things are gonna happen. Just protect yourself, do your research, and just be safe, guys. Seriously. I sound like Anup Soni, like सावधान रहे, सतर्क रहे.